Hey! Ndojiri. Eh. This is my first time flying out of Nigeria from the new terminal at Murtala Mohammed Airport, Lagos, Nigeria, and I can't wait to see what it's like inside. This is after security and it really looks nice, doesn't it? So clean. We are flying with Air Maroc, and what in the name of food is this? On a 4.5 hours flight or the Kwegu. Ned, my daughter, has been bitten by the Greatest Showman bug. This is my favorite musical of all times, and I have infected her with my love for it. See her enjoying it. She used to wonder what I see in this movie, always singing the songs. We had a layover in Casablanca. Remember when Kansi and I traveled through this airport one Christmas like that, and I said that they had high-speed Wi-Fi? That Wi-Fi no longer works at all. Not when we were going to Nigeria, not on our way back. But they have these comfy seats for sleeping at this airport though. See how Neddy is enjoying her sleep. We woke up before 3 a.m. to prepare for this trip, man. Everybody is tired. Finally, we are in Madrid airport, getting closer to home. See their faces, everybody is so tired, they need their beds. But it's still 3 hours away from the airport. Oh my God. Hey! Ndojiri. Yeah. Oh yeah, look. We have a guy that usually takes us to the airport and picks us up whenever we travel with many bags like this. It is very convenient, eh? So he was already at the arrivals hall waiting for us. See happiness on their faces. And off we go. The last leg. He didn't come to play. 9,000 parking spots. Yes, solo aquí, ¿no? Solo en este parking.
Sí.
El parking de larga duración no incluye.
No, aquí no. Aquí larga duración no.
Solo aquí, 9,000. We stopped over for petrol and saw that there's a little supermarket nearby, so we went there to do some grocery shopping. Ele deu pouco ali, bro.
¿Quieres abrir?
Sim, sim.
Okay, I'll be here.
I have some out. You want to come?
Oh yeah, come. Hurry up. Which one?
He's in the car. He's in the car.
That's not where I'm coming now.
My kids will go to school tomorrow, and since I'm not even sure what we have at home, we need to buy something for breakfast and items for making their school snack. Yeah, life has started. Normal life. We are very lucky because they were just about to close. Eh? You have sugar, no? Since nobody is cooking anything tonight, it's 9 p.m. already, and we still have over 2 hours to get home. So we have something to eat at this Burger King, so that when we get home, it will be straight to bed.